Hey YouTube, um, we're about to show you the next box, the second box that I opened up for today, the SPX 0809 SPX. Here are the base cards. Damien Wilkins, base. Zach Randolph. David West, Al Thornton, Rip Hamilton, Luis Scola, Darren Williams, Allen Iverson, Jermaine O'Neal, Rashard Lewis, Kenyon Martin, Lamar Odom, Chris Bosh, Gilbert Arenas, Rachel Dualas, Thaddeus Young, Baron Davis, Joakim Noah, Carlos Boozer, LeBron James, the jerseys are Al Thornton, Winning Materials, dual jersey. Jeff Green, dual Gabe Root and Rajon Rondo. Anthony Randolph, freshman orientation. Freshman orientation, Costa Kufos. Dual jersey Winning Materials combo, John Starks and Patrick Ewing. Freshman orientation, Jason Thompson. A parallel of number 225, 7 of 25 of Al Thornton. The hits are the following: Jason Thompson, 279 of 599, triple jersey, autograph rookie. Mario Chalmers, number 2599. And last but not least, the best hit, Kevin Love, Spectrum, 2 jerseys and a 4-color patch, sick patch. Here I'm also going to show you the earlier cards, the earlier breaks that we got at Robinson's Galleria. Here's the box. These are the base cards. These are the jersey cards. The Kevin Garnett, number 225, gold parallel. The rookie J.R. Giddens, number 25.